Hello everyone, we are Bright AI. We have come up with this platform in order to diagnose the initial stages of skin diseases. As we all know, skin diseases are pretty common, and if not diagnosed at the correct time, they might lead to bigger issues. Hence, we have created this platform called Bright AI. Now, let me take you through the Analyze Our Skin section. Here, you select the skin disease that you think you have. I'm selecting nail fungus. Now you browse files. Okay, now this is uploaded. Now if you see it from the human naked eyes, you cannot predict that you have nail fungus, but our highly trained model predicts it. Now you have an option to find out more about this. It basically gives you the primary remedies or the temporary remedies regarding it. Here, as you can see, here are some primary remedies. Now, let me take you through the consultation segment of our platform. Here, you have a list of doctors. For example, I want to consult Dr. Neha Singh. Here's her specialization, clinical dermatology. I click on view profile and now I have some info about her. Now here's the chatting section. I can either chat with her over text or apply for a video consultation. I click on video consultation. Here we have made use of Jitsi API via which we can connect to the doctor. Now next is the chatting system. This is a customized chatting system built specially for Bright AI. Now let me log in as a user. We log in. Okay, so here's the chat room. Here's Dr. Neha Singh. You can get the password of Dr. Neha Singh over a video call. Now I enter the password. Confirm it. Now I can chat with her. Okay, it's done. Now you also have an option to leave the room once you're done with your consultation part. You also have an option to update your profile photo, and that is pretty optional. Now I log out. Okay, let me take you to the admin side of it. Here's our Bright.ai login or sign up part. I enter as an admin. Okay, so here's what the admin panel looks like. I've entered the name as admin. If you enter something else, that will be displayed over here. Now, we also have an option of block creation for the admin panel, as it is important for the audience to be updated with the latest trends that are going on in terms of dermatology. Here, the admin can create a post easily. Here we have used the Ghost CMS system, that is the content management system. Here, the admin can publish it easily by set it live now and publish. Coming to the chat room section. This is the admin side of it. I enter as an admin. Okay, so here the admin has an option to create a room. Like, I'm Dr. Batra. And I create a password. And yes, my chat room is created. You can view all the chat rooms created yet on the platform here. And here's the list of all the users. As you can see, we have made sure that the admin cannot see the password that is entered by the user. Hence, we have used password hashing method. Here, it also shows the access type of each user. The admins too have an option to update their profile photo. Now let's log out. Now, here's the blog section. Here, you can see all the curated blogs by the doctors. Now, it is also important for the users to be aware of how the skin looks like from the inside. Hence, we have come up with an AR model. This is the AR skin model that we have created using EcoAR. Okay, so as you can see, this is a beautifully created AR model where you can see what your skin looks like from the inside. You can also zoom in or zoom out according to your needs. And this is a well-labeled diagram so that you have a better understanding. That's it from our end.